Oyaore, good morning. Oimore, good evening. Hello viewers, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here and this is your first video, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you never miss a post. So that you never miss a video that we post when we post. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
Today we are going to talk about movement. Everything that concerns movement, we're going to talk about that. And what happens in this channel is that I try to teach Nikki how to talk in Luo language. And Luo language is a language in East Africa, spoken majorly by people in Kenya, Tanzania, South Sudan, Uganda, and where else? And internationally. So welcome. Now today we're going to talk about some of the movements, and we start with this.
What? Wato.
What? What means walk. So wato means walking. Now for all that we're going to do, the O will just be added in to mean walking, but the word itself is the action. So what is movement, meaning walking. Walk. Then wato is walking. What? Wato. What? Wato.
If you would like to see a video that we did to enrich movement, it will be right here.
Good. So if you walk slowly, you say
Wato mos.
You say wato mos. Walking slowly. Wato mos. If you're walking fast,
Wato pio.
wato peo. Wato peo. That's someone who is walking fast. If you're hurrying,
Red.
ret
Rate.
or
Reto.
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 Rate is hurry. Reto is a hurrying. Hurrying. Do you say H or do you pronounce the H?
Yes.
Oh, so you say ha, ring.
Ringo.
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 So ringo, running. Ringo, running. Okay.
Sudo.
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 Sudo. Move. When you're told to move, say sod. That means move. Sodo, moving. So sod is move. Sodo, moving. Then
Pando.
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 Ndo.
Do.
Pando.
Pando.
Pando. Hide. Pando. Pand. Hide. Pando. Hide. Hide is hide. Okay. You know what I mean.
Chualo.
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 So if two people want to fight and you're telling them, hey, go, 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 that's chualo. That means you're inciting. Okay? And also, what did I say? When you're cooking and when you're using firewood or you're using charcoal to cook and you're almost running out of charcoal and all the firewood is almost running out, so you have to push it in. That is called chualo. That action is chualo. Okay? Say chualo.
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 Good.
Pango.
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 Go.
Go.
Pango.
Pango.
Pango means arrange. Pango. Arrange. So if you're arranging stuff, then you say pango. Then
Diro.
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 Dir. Push. Diro. Pushing. Diro. Di. Zero.
If you would like to see our phonetics video, it will be linked up here.
Phonetics.
Yes.
Zero. So this is pronounced as the. Zero. Push. Then 2.
Luto.
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 Luto is casting, you know, like when you're going to vote and you're casting, or you have your piggy bank and you're putting in money. That action of putting the money in is called Luto. So when you put in money in your piggy bank, you say Aluto.
Aluto.
Good. Or if you're dropping it in, you say Aluto. Luto is Luto. The difference between Luto and this one, Luaro. Luaro is dropping it by mistake. But Luto is dropping it where it should be dropped, like a ballot paper. Okay? Then this is
Luaro.
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 Luaro. So Luaro is like, that is Luaro. Luaro. Okay? That is not Luto. Because even though I have dropped it accidentally. So that is Luaro. Sorry, Luaro. Then the next one?
Ting'o.
Ngo.
No. Ting'o.
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 Ti.
Ti.
Ngo.
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 Ting'o.
Ting'o.
Good. Ting'o is
Carrying.
carrying. So ting'o, like if you're carrying a baby, you say ting'o. Ting'o. Then the last one of the day?
Keto.
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 Keto is place on top of a table, like place on. If this is the table, of course it's not. If you place something, like maybe if I place this orange on top of the table, keto ewi mesa.
Keto ewi mesa.
So keto ewi mesa. Keto. Okay? Keto. Ket. Keto. Ket. Keto. Good. So those are the, I think there are 10 or 15. Those are the movement actions in Luo and how we call them in our day-to-day life. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to, what do you say? Oh, I forgot that part. Thank you for watching, and Nyasaye oriti. That means God keep you, God bless you. Nyasaye ogwedi. Good?
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post.
When we post.
You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon. If you'd like to send a DM on us, you can go on Instagram.
DM. Correct. Now we have a DM. No, we have an Instagram page. We have a Facebook page. We have a YouTube. We have Twitter. We have Patreon. And they're all Luo English Dictionary. So please visit one of the pages, and we love your feedback. We love your feedback. Just give us any feedback. Just write down below this video. Okay? Thank you. Oriti. Go and switch the microphone off.
Okay.
Oriti, bye.